So you see those numbers?
Yeah.
So you gotta make them at least a minute long. And you should talk to Riley when you're on the video.
Hi, Riley. Riley, you're not even looking at me like this. No. I think open and tough up. And
Tell her no. Make sure your videotape's in there.
no.
Riley, shut it.
No.
Sophia videotaping? You want to see? Is Sophia videotaping? Where are you going?